man, this is getting foolish. Man, I really wanna go home right now, cause I don't think I deserve this. I try to call the police, but my phone ain't got no service. My head. So I was coming home late at night, driveway, I proceed to parking. I get out the car, then my heart stopped. I seen zombies, ghouls, and goblins. Ran to the front door, yeah, I was scared. Then a hand came out the grass and grabbed my leg. I must be dreaming, a dream it wasn't. Zombies in the street, 50 of them.